Imagine being over 60 and still moving with ease. You can stand up, walk, climb stairs, and even play with your grandkids without pain or getting tired. Sounds nice, right? But for many seniors, this isn't the case. Some people stop moving or slow down because their bodies feel tired and stiff. Over time, their joints start to hurt, their muscles get weak, and even simple things feel hard. Some people try to stay active, which is good. But here's the problem. They often choose the wrong exercises. Some moves may look easy, but they can hurt your joints, stress your heart, or make you more likely to fall, especially for older adults. That's why in this video, we'll show you 3 exercises seniors should not do and 3 better ones to try instead. These safer moves are gentle and can help you stay strong, steady, and able to do things on your own. If you want to stay healthy and move with ease as you get older, hit the subscribe button for more easy tips made just for seniors. Here's the truth. As we age, being active is not about big muscles or running fast. It's about keeping balance, staying safe, and feeling good every day. Just 10 to 15 minutes of simple movement can make a big difference. These small exercises can help keep your joints loose, slow down muscle loss, and help your blood flow better. This means fewer falls, better heart health, and even a sharper mind. And the best part? You don't need a gym or any fancy tools. Just a little time each day can give you more energy, less pain, and a better life. Now for the good part. We'll show you 3 easy exercises that can help your body move better. They are safe, simple, and can be done right at home in just a few minutes a day. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell, so you never miss a new video made for you. If this video helps you, type 9 in the comments. If not, type 0 and let me know how to make it better. So 1. Wall push-ups. Build upper body strength without hurting your joints. Let's start with something easy but powerful. Wall push-ups. If regular push-ups hurt your wrists, shoulders, or back, this is a safer choice. Especially helpful if you have arthritis or find floor exercises hard. Wall push-ups are done while standing, so there's less strain on your joints. But don't be fooled, they still strengthen your chest, arms, and shoulders. Here's how to do them. Stand about 2 feet away from a wall. Place your hands flat on the wall at shoulder height. Keep your arms straight. Slowly bend your elbows and lean in toward the wall. Keep your body in a straight line. Then push back to where you started. Start with 10 reps and add more as you get stronger. Why do these matter? Stronger arms help with everyday tasks, lifting groceries, folding laundry, or brushing your hair. They also support good posture by working your upper back. And the best part? Wall push-ups are gentle and safe for almost everyone. Whether you're just starting or getting back into exercise, this is a great way to feel stronger without stress. 2. Chair squats. Strengthen your legs with a simple daily move. Next, let's talk about a move that helps with something we all do, standing up. Chair squats copy the motion of sitting and standing, which trains your legs, hips, and core. It's one of the most useful exercises for seniors. Here's how to do it. Stand in front of a sturdy chair. Keep your feet about shoulder width apart. Slowly lower yourself, as if you're about to sit, but stop right before your bottom touches the seat. Pause, then press through your heels and stand back up. Try 10 reps, rest if needed, and work toward 2 sets of 10. Chair squats strengthen your thighs, glutes, and core, muscles that keep you steady and balanced. As we age, these muscles weaken, making simple tasks harder. This move helps keep your legs flexible and reduces stiffness in your knees and hips. Plus, you can do it almost anywhere, at home, in a park, or even during a break. It's quick, easy, and powerful, perfect for staying independent and mobile. 3. Heel to toe. Walk, improve your balance, and prevent falls. Now, let's focus on something critical, balance. Falls are a major risk for older adults, but one simple move can help protect you. It's called the heel to toe walk, and it's great for improving coordination and control. Here's how to do it. Stand straight with feet together. Step forward with your right foot, placing the heel directly in front of your left toes, like walking on a tightrope. Then bring your left foot in front of your right the same way. Keep walking slowly in a straight line. Use a hallway or countertop for support if needed. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes. This exercise teaches your brain and body to work together, helping you stay steady on your feet. Over time, your balance improves, and so does your confidence. It also strengthens the tiny muscles in your feet and ankles, and boosts focus. Whether you're going upstairs or just crossing the room, heel-to-toe walking keeps you moving safely. Together, these 3 exercises, chair squats, wall push-ups, and heel-to-toe walks, build a strong foundation for better movement as you age. Stick with them, and you'll feel the difference in your daily life. But here's something just as important: knowing which exercises to avoid. Let's take a look. Avoid these 3 exercises to stay safe. Staying active is vital, but doing the wrong exercises can hurt more than help. In this next section, we'll cover 3 common moves seniors should skip, and what to do instead. 1. Overhead lifts, shoulder trouble, waiting to happen. Lifting weights over your head might seem like a good workout, but it's risky for many older adults. As we age, our shoulders lose flexibility. Lifting heavy objects overhead can pinch nerves, stress your neck, or cause rotator cuff injuries. Try this instead. Use light dumbbells or resistance bands for bicep curls or front raises. You'll still tone your arms without straining your shoulders or spine. Remember, it's not about lifting heavy, it's about lifting smart. 2. Deep squats. Too much stress for the knees and back. Deep squats may look powerful, but they can be tough on aging joints. If you feel knee pain, back aches, or stiffness, squatting too low adds pressure to your joints. That strain can lead to soreness or injury. Feeling wobbly during deep squats? That raises your fall risk. Try chair squats instead. Just sit and stand from a chair, slowly and with control. You still strengthen your legs, but with less risk. And the best part? You can do them anytime, anywhere. No equipment, no pain, just results. 3. High-impact running, hard on the joints. Running can be energizing, but it's hard on aging joints. Every step pounds your knees, hips, and spine. If these joints are already sore or stiff, running can make things worse. Switch to low-impact cardio like walking, cycling, or swimming. Walking especially gives you great heart benefits without all the pounding. If you're a lifelong runner, talk to your doctor about safe ways to continue. But don't be afraid to slow down. Walking is gentle, effective, and joint-friendly. I switched from running to walking myself, and my joints are so much happier. Wind down with these 2 relaxing bedtime habits. Now that you know what to do and what to avoid, let's shift into calm mode. A peaceful bedtime routine helps you sleep better, feel better, and recover faster. Here are 2 simple habits to try tonight. 1. Gentle self-massage to release the tension. At the end of the day, it's common to feel tension in your neck, shoulders, or feet. That tension can make it hard to relax or sleep. Self-massage is an easy way to ease that tightness. Use your hands to gently massage your neck and shoulders. Just 1 to 2 minutes on each side can boost blood flow and melt away stress. Then move to your feet. Massage your soles with your thumbs for 3 to 5 minutes. This calms your nervous system and gets your body ready for sleep. Add this to your routine. You'll be surprised how quickly it helps you unwind. 2. Deep breathing and meditation. Quiet the mind. Stress doesn't just live in the body, it lives in your thoughts too. Deep breathing and light meditation can help slow everything down. Try the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly for 8 seconds. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. You'll feel calmer almost instantly. You can also sit quietly, close your eyes, and focus on your breath for a few minutes. No pressure, just peace. These practices help your mind settle and your body rest. No fancy tools required. Just a few quiet moments. Thanks for being with us today. You've learned which exercises build strength, which ones to skip, and how to wind down before bed. Remember, every small step matters. It's never too late to feel better. Use this knowledge. Share it with a friend. Healing isn't just physical, it's about choosing to move forward. Tomorrow can be your strongest day yet. If this video helped you, comment the number 9 below. If not, comment 0. We want your feedback. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Life Notice for more inspiring and helpful content. Let's keep growing together.